Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install a Snapchat in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed at a button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, and under it you can see there an option called Open. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. Now once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the Windows search or address bar and type for Snapchat. Once you have typed that, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the Snapchat itself where you can see a list of results. Please proceed with the first link which is under snapchat.com website which contains this link. Click on this link to proceed. Now, the moment you have to click on it, you would be redirected to the Snapchat website. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything's already here. Now, here you need to proceed on typing your username or your email address, or it can be phone number, and click on logged in. Okay, so type the password to logged in, and once you have logged in your account, you can see there at the upper right side of the screen three dots. Click on it, and the moment you have clicked on it, you need to proceed with cast, save, and share. And the moment you have locate the cursor into the cast, save, and share, you can see an option like this. Please look for install page as app. Tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, this would appear where here you can rename the shortcut or app that you want to install here in your Windows. So in my case, I'm renaming it into Snapchat. Once you have renamed it, click on install to proceed and wait until a new window would appear, which is the Snapchat itself. Once a new window would appear, it means that you have successfully or succeeded in installing the Snapchat as an application here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So when you close the window and as well as the Google Chrome browser, and when you check it here at the desktop screen, you would be able to see the Snapchat here at the desktop. And in case you don't see the shortcut of Snapchat there, you can navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Snapchat. Once you have typed it, okay, here, a best match would appear, which is a snapshot application. You can click on open to continue. So tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, you would be redirected to the Snapchat itself. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to log in your account, or you can also sign up in case you don't have an account yet. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.